Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share my mini stationery haul. I was so excited with the items that I found. I popped into a MAIDO store and it has been, I think, since the beginning of the pandemic since I actually went to the physical store, and I was so pleased with everything that I found. And I probably could have gotten so many more things, but I was like, you know what, I need to kind of just, choose some items and leave behind others. But there were a lot of amazing products that I just hadn't seen in person. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. I recently unboxed everything on an Instagram reel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see kind of like a 59-second clip. But I wanted to break it down on my YouTube channel and share some of the items a little bit closer up, and to take more time showcasing how beautiful and well made these products are. So the first item is, I think this is from the Little Red House. Oh yes, the Little Red House. And I found her on Instagram, but I didn't realize she had a whole section in different stationery stores, from totes to washi tapes to, I think, even notebooks and vinyl stickers. And I think she's even on like the Casetify, maybe collaborating with them on phone cases. So if you like this style, definitely check her out. I feel like these are so cute. Look at these little otters and this little van, I think, or little car. Can't really see in here, but there's a bear driving it, and he's got all his suitcases on top. This little birthday squid, forever young, so cute. And then this one here is like a little cassette with like a pencil on a crane. I just feel like it's so creative and unique. I can't wait to use these. I feel like they're so nice. I don't even want to use them, but I feel like I should, right? Because then once I use them, I can buy more. So that's the mentality there. I found this Post-it set from Botanical Garden. Let me open it up here. There we go. I've actually never heard of Botanical Garden before. Maybe I'll save this little tag to put into my bullet journal later. But yeah, these Post-its are kind of very thin and see-through almost, so I thought that would be such a nice layering piece for my bullet journal or my planner. So Botanical Garden. And then this is actually, I believe, in Japanese, so I don't know what it says, and I actually don't even know what it is. I just saw these cats, and the paper looked almost like a linen fabric texture on the front, but it's very thin and feels like it's very high quality. Let's see if I can slowly, maybe I'll open this up here. Okay. Oh, it seems like it's maybe like an envelope set. I don't know. Let's take a look. Totally ripping this. Okay. There we go. All right, let's see here. So cute. So I've been saving all these like scrap papers since I've been doing this new type of planning, so I'm just putting them in my drawer there. But look at these cats. They're so cute, but the quality is so nice. Oh, comes with an envelope. Cute. So maybe it's like a writing set. Look at this paw print. Oh my gosh, the detail. It just feels so high quality. Oh my god, this is so nice. I don't even know who I would write to with these. I feel like this is like a collector's item. But yeah, this paper feels so nice. So smooth on the back. You can kind of see, oh, it's lined, so you can write something there and tuck it in. This is really nice. I'm gonna send this to some of my stationery friends. So I had this here. And I think this item I was most excited for. I had seen Moseri, I think that's what it's called, on Instagram and maybe from some YouTube accounts. But I've never actually seen them in person or even like felt the paper. And they had so many beautiful designs. It comes in dot grid, there's an actual planner, and I think there's like different kinds of journals. But this one I got just because I already have a planner. I really wanted to buy the planner for myself, but I just knew if I picked up another planner, I wasn't going to be using the one that I was already using, and I'm already halfway through January and felt like that was a little strange. So I picked up this one. Isn't this so beautiful? And like the spine it's just so nice, and it feels so smooth and such high quality. So it has this little band here. Keep it all together. And so let's take a look here. It has a little pocket here, and I think you can put probably like a business card there. I'll probably put, ooh, I just designed a new business card, so when I get it, I'll probably tuck it into here. And it has this little Mosuri user guide showing you like how you can journal, some inspiration. So cute. I'll have to go through this later. Put that there. And in the beginning, it has kind of like your start date, some information. Ooh, a self-portrait index, so I think you can set it up how you want. Books, songs, films, places. So I guess it has a little like intro section, and then a notes, and then it gets to, so I think this is kind of like a graph. I don't really know what this is called, but it's not the dot grid, which is the one I actually wanted, but this is what was available in this specific design. I'm sure if you go to their website, there are many different covers to different interiors, so I'm pretty sure you could find your own specific combo. But yeah, I just wanted it right away, so I just picked up what they had, and I love how it lays flat. This is a really important factor to me when getting journals or planners. I used to do the ringed ones or the happy planners, which you could take out the pages, but like recollection, just a lot of the ones with the bindings or things that stick up in the middle are just way too hard to write on the left side. So this is nice and flat, as you saw, and just so wonderful. So excited for this. And as you can see, there is another pocket at the back, another business card slot. Oh, it also has this bookmark thing. Didn't notice earlier. But yeah, this was so beautiful. So excited for this. Actually trying to figure out what I'm going to do in this, if I want to start another bullet journal or have it as like a 2022 memory journal. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm going to use it for something for this year because it's just too beautiful to sit around and not use. And then the last thing, actually the notebook at the bottom isn't from my haul, so I'll take that out. But this is Hitotoki Standard. It's just a little envelope here. I figured if I was going to plan on the go, I could tuck in some stickers or washi tape. I have like this here that I use for my stickers from MAIDO, and it's just a little sleeve that I got from the Sticky Club. But yeah, so I was thinking I could put some of the items that I want on the go and keep it in this little folder here. All right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this mini haul. Yeah, I really enjoyed shopping at this store and picking up these items, and I'm just so excited to be using them in this upcoming year. So, all right, if you guys enjoyed this video, thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.